So this one, it's called Unlove You. It's about that one ex that no matter how many people you date, you can never unlove them.
Galing ka sa isang mayamang pamilya, totoo ba
Me,
yun?
no. Yun yung iniisip ng maraming tao dahil siguro nag-i-English, laking States, pero hindi talaga. We grew up very, very poor.
As in, sa US?
We were struggling really hard.
How many kayo, mga siblings?
Dalawa po kami, me and my sister. So, hindi porket lumaki ako sa States, mayaman. We grew up very, very humble. Yung tipong yung ulam namin is always Spam and cup noodles.
And then, you also worked sa US before.
My first job was a salesman at The Gap, salesman sa Foot Locker, and then I was a barista at Starbucks. I was a personal trainer at 24 Hour Fitness, and then nagbebenta ako ng kutsilyo, kitchen knives, pangluto, door to door. So, kumakatok ako sa mga doors ng mga tao. Ang madalas nangyari sa akin is, pagbukas nila, I say, "Hi, my name is Chris. I just wanted to talk to you for a minute." Bang! Slam the door. So, at a young age, nakilala ko ang rejection.
Nung pumunta ka sa Pilipinas, parang sisiw na sa'yo yung mga bagay-bagay.
Ako lang yung pumunta dito. My dad bought me my ticket to come here to try my luck, and $700 lang yung laman ng bulsa ko. 35,000 pesos nung time na yun.
Paano mo siya napagkasya?
Sobrang grateful ako kay JR kasi parang talagang tinuring niya ako ng little brother niya. I was staying at his house. Siya yung nagbabayad lahat ng food, and I was staying at his place. May studio pa siya, so I was able to do my work. Yun, when we got to the contest, syempre pabukas ng pera ko. And then, yun, sinugal ko talaga. I got into the contest na natanggap ako to top 50. And then I made the top 40. Then I made it to the top 30. And final 12. Then I made it to the top 5. Top 3, I made the finals. And then after that, nanalo ako ng grand champion of Search for the Star in a Million. And yung 35,000 pesos ko, naging 1 million pesos, house and lot, and a 2-year recording contract with Star Records. Doon ko nilabas yung kung malaya lang ako.
Yung people na watching you, Katie and Katrina, may chance bang magkabalikan kayo ni Katrina?
Kung ano man nangyayari ngayon, I like what's happening. So, mas gusto namin no pressure, go with the flow. Kung ano man nagiging flow ngayon, gusto ko yung flow. Kung saan papunta yung flow.
Nakikita kasi kayong tatlo. Yung tao kasi, you're just very happy. Yung light lang kayo tingnan. Tapos yung napaka-totoo. Pag tinitingnan mo yung video, parang walang script.
Actually, totoo, wala talagang script. Si Lara and si Cathy. Open cam lang sila. So, whatever you guys see, yun talaga yung nangyayari. Kung nagugulat kayo, nagugulat din kami.
Napakasimple lang. Tapos si Katie, she wants to see you lang na nakita ko yun sa pintuan. Gusto niyang pumasok lang kayo ng pintuan.
Yung dikit-dikit. Dikit-dikit challenge.
Siya bang naglan nun?
Katie, ano yung dikit-dikit? Dikit kayo dyan sa pinto. Tapos dahan-dahan bubukas yung pinto. Tapos may old, lumang song nagtutugtog. Mga 50s or 60s. Wala. Yun lang. Tuwang-tuwa na siya dun.
Ako nga pinanood ko yun. Sabi ko, ano dikit-dikit? Ako naman, hating gabi nanood ako. Talagang tinapos ko hanggang dulo eh. Tapos ulit-ulit kayo.
Ulit-ulit. Tapos iibahin niya yung music. So parang 5 takes pero iba-ibang music ang gagamitin niya. But see, the way I see it is like her creative mind is working. You know, she's slightly on the spectrum. So iba din yung the way they think. So ako, very intrigued ako pag may ganun siya kasi it gives me a peek into her brain on kung ano man nangyayari. Ano bang iniisip ng, anong gusto niya mangyari. So it's very interesting to me to see it unfold.
Dun sa co-parenting nyo ni Kat, nagkaroon kayo ng issue before? Kasi parang, di ba, una hindi mo nakikita yung bata. So, between you and Kat, about sa pag-aalaga kay Katie, nagkaroon kayo ng issue before. Paano nyo naayos yun?
Ang sabi niya, may mga realizations siya. She made a choice. Sobrang saya ako. Sobrang grateful ko na yan yung choice. Kasi we all have choices. Dati, ito yung choice niya. So, ngayon, iniba niya yung choice niya. I'm very happy. I'm very grateful kasi ngayon, we're like co-parenting to the max. And nakikita mo lang talaga ang saya ni Katie ngayon. Iba yung smile niya, iba yung energy niya, iba yung kilos niya.
Nakaka-improve din ng ng bata eh.
Sobrang
Ano
nag-improve.
yung case ni Katie?
She has like a very mild case of ASD.
Pero ngayon talagang ano siya, improving ano.
Super improving.
Alam mo, nakausap ko siya dito, ang bilis niya mag-catch up niya.
She's sharp. She's very sharp.
Ngayon, sa yung dalawa ni Kat, ano yung challenges niyo kay Katie ngayon sa co-parenting niyo?
Honestly, parang walang challenges ngayon. That's why I say that it's so good right now. Kasi now we're both there, magtulungan. Kung may work siya, andun ako. ako. Kung may work ako, nandun siya. So it's like, there's not really much challenges right now.
Paano kung dumating kayo naghiwalay pa?
It wasn't the right time anymore. And siguro we both had to grow as individuals.
How young are you that time?
31.
So bakit hindi kayo nagplano na parang let's get married because may baby na?
Some things you just feel. There was actually one time where gusto ko mag-propose
Before pa,
before she was pregnant. I already had the rings too, the engagement and the wedding band. Nasa akin na. But you just feel the moment to propose and it would never came.
so talagang you see Kat before na just to be my wife.
But it's a good thing na hindi natuloy kasi, you know, everything happens for a reason. And especially now that medyo mahirap sagutin yung tanong mo kanina. Right now, we've been broken up for 12 years. In an astrology cycle, that's a full cycle, right? 12 years. So now she's a new person. I'm a different person too. So now our new persons are getting to know each other's new persons again. So far so good.
And then your new song.
I went through like a 5-year hiatus of hindi nag-release ng kanta. Ngayon, sobrang tug yung mga release. This is my 3rd release in 5 months. So this one, it's called Unlove You. It's about that one ex that no matter how many people you date, you can never unlove that one.
So abangan niyo yun ha. So alam niyo na parang kung para kanino yun. parang ako kinikilig ako no. Parang ako na
Yes, please support po.
So final natin, sa dalawa lang no.
Sige, dalawa.
Ang mura lang nito 39,630 lang.
Mahal, wala na bawas po.
Discount na natin to ng 30 pesos.
Done po.
Ma'am Heda, total nito. Total nito nasa ano to? 1,000 pesos lang. Another day.
Another diamond.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Oo, akin na
It
rin
was
to.
a pleasure. Swak tayo?